Hi, I am Dr. Tushar Munoli, consultant pain physician at Alleviate Pain, Spine and Regenerative Center, Bengaluru. Trigeminal neuralgia is a potentially disabling facial pain syndrome, frequently described as one of the most painful afflictions known to the man. This condition has been known to drive patients to the brink of suicide. There are 12 pairs of cranial nerves and the trigeminal nerve is among these pairs. It lets you feel sensations in the face. Each trigeminal nerve is divided into 3 branches. As the name implies, it is divided into ophthalmic branch, maxillary branch and the mandibular branch. The ophthalmic branch is responsible for carrying the sensations from the eye, upper eyelid and forehead, whereas the maxillary nerve carries the sensation from cheeks, upper lip and upper gum, and the mandibular nerve carries the sensations from jaw, lower lip and lower gum. So the trigeminal neuralgia starts with the irritation of these nerves. Any of the branches can be involved. The most commonly involved branch is the mandibular nerve, although the combination of nerves can be involved. In many cases of trigeminal neuralgia, the cause is never found and we classify this as idiopathic trigeminal neuralgia. However, the known causes include a blood vessel or a tumor putting pressure on the nerve and multiple sclerosis where the coating of the nerve myelin sheath is damaged, and this is classified into secondary trigeminal neuralgia. Trigeminal neuralgia is characterized by intense pain, occasional tic or spasm in the areas of ophthalmic, maxillary or mandibular division, usually on one side or both the sides can be sometimes involved. The pain is often described as electric shock like or stabbing kind. Initially, the patient might have mild instances of pain, but over time, the frequency and intensity increases. This pain can be brought on by even the mildest stimulation of face such as breeze of air, touch, brushing of teeth or shaving. If you have facial pain, especially the sensations that keep coming back or don't respond to over-the-counter pain relievers, make an appointment with your doctor. The patient's medical history and typical pain and location of this condition should point towards the diagnosis of trigeminal neuralgia, but we may need to do neurological examination to rule out post-herpetic neuralgia or cluster headaches. And we might need to do an MRI to rule out the blood vessel entangling, aneurysms, tumor or multiple sclerosis. During the early stages, trigeminal neuralgia can be treated with medications like anticonvulsants, carbamazepine being the drug of choice. We might also prescribe antidepressants and muscle relaxants. But as time goes on, medications can lose on its effectiveness and there can be gross side effects. And then the treatment options can be either a minimally invasive procedures or microvascular decompression depending upon the cause of trigeminal neuralgia. At Alleviate, we commonly perform a minimally invasive procedure called as radiofrequency lesioning or radiofrequency ablation of the involved trigeminal nerve as a daycare or outpatient procedure. During this procedure, I place an electrode through the skin of the cheek into the nerve where it exits the skull. And all this is done under image or X-ray guidance to make the procedure much safer. Our goal is to identify and cause a controlled damage, a lesion by application of heat to the portion of the nerve which is involved in the distribution of pain, and thus destroying the ability of these nerves to transmit pain signals to the brain. With this radiofrequency lesioning or ablation of the nerve, there is an excellent pain relief for longer duration. Also, the dosage of medications are reduced and there is significant improvement in quality of life. If you or your dear ones suffer from trigeminal neuralgia, please make an appointment with us to alleviate the pain. Thank you.